Hello, welcome to Crafting with Lee.
Today I'm going to make this Stars and Stripes wreath. These are the supplies I'm using. I'm using 2.5-inch burlap ribbon with stars, and I also use a 4-inch red burlap later. I'm going to start by adding these pipe cleaners to my wire frame. I prefer to use the wire frame and add my own pipe cleaners versus buying the pencil wreaths. I do use those. I just like these better. The wreaths aren't as big. I like mine a little bit thinner. This is the deco mesh I'm going to use. It's 10 inches. It's like a basket weave window pane. I'm not sure what it's made from, but it's reminds me of like a placemat. I thought these two colors went really well with the ribbon I already had. I'm cutting them at 12 inches, and I do 15 of each color. Alright, I'm going to do the ruffle technique. And with these, I don't roll the beginning or the end. I just scrunch it. And it does it really easily. And it makes it like a fan. It's really stiff material. I'm going to add 2 pieces to each pipe cleaner section, alternating the red on top, red on bottom. I'm only going to twist once because I'm going to add ribbon later. This ribbon frayed a lot more than I thought it was going to. Once I was done, I just tucked in the spots that were really bad and trimmed off long pieces. So if you decide to use this kind of mesh, be prepared. Alright, this is my last section. Once I get all of the spaces filled up, I'm going to go through and fluff it. So they both stick out. They kind of butt up against each other. It causes them to be fluffier. Alright, this is the 4-inch burlap ribbon I was talking about. Alright, I'm going to cut 10-inch ribbons. And then dovetail the ends. With the 4-inch burlap ribbon, I don't dovetail them. I tried a piece and it didn't look right. And I like the way it turned out, keeping it square. And I just pinch it in the middle. Do the same with the stars. Okay, I'm going to open my pipe cleaner and add in the ribbon. And then twist 3 times and use my glue stick to curl the pipe cleaners down. I thought about separating the ribbon, but in the end, I like them layered. I like the star laying on top of the red. Alright, now I'm going to fill in all the spaces. And you can see right there where the mesh is really frayed. I go back and trim that and tuck it under. I'd never worked with this kind of material before. I like the way it looks. It's just really messy. I wasn't sure if I was going to make a bow. But in the end, I think the sign was perfect. And I liked showing off the ribbon. I decided to put the sign at the bottom. Now I'm just going to add staples to hold down my pipe cleaners. Alright, I'm going to feed the pipe cleaners through the wreath and then attach it to the back of the wire frame. Be sure when you're attaching your sign not to do it too tight right away, just in case you have to change it. I'm going to show you that right here. See, I only twisted it once, and then when I turned around, I tried to adjust it, and it was too tight. So then I just give it a little more slack, and I don't have to worry about completely unraveling it. It was just one twist. I can always go back and secure it later.
That's how I made my Stars and Stripes wreath. If you have any questions, please comment down below or feel free to email me at craftingwithlee@yahoo.com. Thank you so much for watching. And if you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.